Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl deja.zhane, and today I decided to recreate the Jordyn Woods makeup. At this point, we've all probably watched Red Table Talk. We know all the business or whatever, but that's not what we're doing today. It's just about the look, just about the makeup. No tea, no shade, just makeup. And a little theatrics. I just had to add that part. Okay, so let's just jump right into it. I'm gonna start by like prepping my face because I really want the base to look really like seamless, because Jordyn Wood's face was like really pretty. I would say it's full coverage. It looked like it was full coverage, but still like it was real pretty. I have quite a few like new skincare products and I just want to play around with them. As of lately, I've been using the Fresh Black Tea Kombucha. It's an essence. Put a little bit in my hand. I've already cleansed my face, so you would do this after you cleanse your face. And this essence is basically like gonna help suck up all the other products I'm gonna use. Press it into the skin like this. I really like this stuff. So next I'm gonna go in with my autocorrect eye contour cream. It's basically like an it's an eye cream. And you really don't need too much of this product, just a little bit. I think everybody needs one. For my serum, I'm going to use a Lancome Genifique. So now I'm going to use my moisturizer. This is it's also by Sunday Riley. This is the Brightening Enzyme Water Cream. This stuff is really nice. And with water creams, any moisturizer that you use, you really don't need a lot of it, especially when it's expensive. Now I'm all prepped up. So to prime my face, I'm gonna use the Tatcha, the Silk Canvas. This is actually the mini. So now I'm gonna just like color correct my mouth area and like underneath my eyes. I'm gonna use just a little bit. So now that I've color correct, I'm just gonna use my L'Oreal Infallible foundation. This is in the shade Hazelnut. I have all my foundation on. Now I'm going to highlight. Let's see. So underneath Jordyn's eyes, it doesn't look that bright. It looks almost kind of like more on the natural side. I'm gonna just try to mimic this to the best of my ability. I'm gonna use the ColourPop concealer. This is my first time ever trying the ColourPop concealer. I know I'm real late, but well, in the shade 32, it's like a yellowy, warm yellow concealer. Okay, this is kind of bright. I said natural, but oh well. Ooh, I like this. I'm gonna contour my face with the ColourPop. Well, yeah, I know it's ColourPop. In the shade Deep 52. I'm not gonna go too heavy with this. I'm gonna try not to. I'm gonna use a little bit of my Fenty Beauty in the shade 420. I think I like this shade more. So I'm gonna try a different powder today, like to set my under eyes and the rest of my face. I'm gonna use the Becca Hydra Mist. Interesting. It feels really like, it feels wet. It's kind of weird. Weird. It literally feels wet on my face. Wow, it's like cool. So I'm just gonna take my Morphe B2 brush. I'm just gonna dust it right off my face. So now I'm going to bronze up my face. I'm still kind of like amazed by that powder. Actually, I'm gonna go in with my micro smoothing powder first, just to kind of warm my face back up. I feel like I look kind of dull. So now I'm gonna bronze up my face. I'm gonna use my Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 360. I'm just gonna take my brush and just kind of diffuse the bronzer contour that I did, because I don't want it to be too heavy, because it's not heavy on her. So I'm gonna do my brows, but before I do my brows, I'm gonna put a little bit of that powder like right underneath my maybe I don't need that. I like it. Okay, so moving along to the brows. I've been doing my brows kind of differently lately. I've been using mainly the Kat Von D tattoo liner in the color Mad Max. It's an eyeliner, but I like to use it as like a pen for my brows. I'm going to use a combination of 3 products. So okay, so I did my brows off camera. Well, I finished them off camera. I really tried to mimic Jordyn's like brow shape. I made it a little higher up in here. So looking at the picture, it looks like she has like a really light like brown shadow on her eyelids. Yeah, it looks matte to this hula bronzer. She looks like she has like a bit of like a sheen or something on her eyelid. I don't know if it's just the light hitting her eyelids a certain way, and that's why it looks like that. But I'm gonna go in with the Fenty highlighter in this shade Mean Money. Yeah, I'm gonna use Mean Money on my eyelids because it's not like too bright. It's really subtle. I'm gonna take the highlight and put it on my nose to here. It looks like she has a little bit like in the corner of her eye too. Right here. It could just be the light. I don't know. It looks like she has highlight like in the center of her forehead. So for the blush, I want to keep it real light and cute. I went to Ulta and I got this NYX. It's called Bright Idea. It's a cream blush. I have 2 of them. I have this one and I have this one. I'm going to use the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I'm not going to go too ham with the mascara because Jordyn doesn't look like she has a lot of mascara on. So I'm going to go really light with this mascara. She is wearing lashes. So I'm going to wear these lashes right here. All right. Now for the lips, she looks like she has like a gloss on or something. So after trial and error, I think I got the color. I just used the Fenty lip stunner paint and the gloss. Okay, as a finishing spray, I'm going to use my Caudalie. Okay, and so that pretty much concludes this look. But I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison. I tried, y'all. I hope you all liked it. So thank you all for watching, and like, comment, subscribe down below what y'all want to see next. Peace out.